Hi, I'm Steph.
I'm Stephanie.
And we are out kayaking yet again. Today we are actually in Bristol, Florida. I've never heard of that, but now I've been there. I've been here, and we're actually kayaking a place called Owl Creek.
So Owl Creek is, well, it's a creek, although it's very large. It's very wide and very deep, but it flows into the Apalachicola River. It's not very long, so, we're just going to kind of piddle back and forth and see what we see. It's a very pretty place, a lot of cypress trees, so very exciting.
Yeah, so I'm excited. I haven't been here before. Stephanie has. There's also a campsite here that we're going to check out, and maybe we'll kayak camp here one day. We'll see.
Yeah, it's a really cool campground. During hunting season, it's used as a hunt camp, so you can only camp if you're hunting or during off seasons. So,
is it hunting season?
It is not hunting season right now.
We can camp here. All right, come join us as we have a lazy paddle today. Got off our kayaks to check out a spot that might be useful for camping because we're always looking for some cool camping spots.
We keep talking about camping. We need to actually just do it.
I've been telling you that. I've been saying that. You're the one. I've been saying I'm ready to go camping.
I'm ready too. I just, I work.
We're adults and we have to figure out adult things.
Adult jobs and adult things.
we just finished our paddle and we are all packed up. What'd you think, Stephanie?
This is an awesome place. I've been here a few times. I've camped here with my husband. It's just such a neat area. It almost feels haunted with all the cypress trees.
And there was a bunch of smoke, which we're not sure. We'll have to Google what that was from, but that made it even more haunted.
Yes, I think they're doing controlled burns, but that's an awful lot of smoke for something controlled.
It felt uncontrolled, so I don't know. It could be controlled. We have controlled burns here in Florida, so we don't really have wildfires out of control, but we'll have to look it up. Maybe I'll put it in the description or something if I find out what it is.
And we only saw 2 murder floats.
Yeah, 2 murder houseboats.
Yeah, murder houseboats, yeah. So, and the wreckage of a couple of them. Yeah, some more, so yeah.
Yeah. So it was great. It was a great paddle. We'll definitely come here again and maybe camp.
Yes.
Maybe do some camping.
Definitely camp out here.
And it's about an hour and a half from Tallahassee, where I live. She lives in Georgia.
It's about 2 hours for me.
Yeah.
So a little bit of a commitment.
Yeah. But it's cool. It's pretty cool. All right. Well, thanks for joining and have a great day. So we're headed back and the wonderful GPS is taking us down what looks like the middle of the forest. I'm pretty sure we're it looks like it's a shortcut, but yeah, we're in the woods. Thank you, GPS.